Hello friends, this video on S block elements part 18 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let's talk about cement now. Cement is also a critical thing we use in our daily life. The house, construction of house, we use cement, and that is generally made from the group 2 alkali earth metals. So as I told, it's important building material, and it was prepared first in England by Joseph Astley. It's also called Portland cement because it is the look and feel looks similar to the natural limestone from the Portland that is in England. The cement is a product that is obtained by combining CaO and silica and oxides of aluminum and magnesium. So you combine all these things, you get good quality of cement, right? So in average, the cement composition, if you see, you have calcium oxide to 60%, silicon oxide to 25%, then you have aluminum oxide 5-10%, magnesium oxide, Fe2O3, SO3, all these things combine and you make a mixture, and the mixture is called cement. For a good quality cement, the ratio of silica to aluminum should be 2.5 to 4. The ratio of lime to total oxides of silicon, iron and aluminum should also be close to 2. This is for the good quality cement. If you see in market, there are various quality of cement, some are good, some are bad, and all these things depend on the ratio of silica, aluminum and iron, this kind of stuff. We'll see how to prepare cement. So the raw material used for cement manufacture is the limestone and the clay. They are the main raw material that is used for preparation of cement. And when this limestone and the clay are heated together, they form cement clinkers. So once I have the cement clinker, this is mixed with 2 to 3% by weight with gypsum. For example, I have 100 grams of clinker, I'll mix this with 2 gram or 3 gram of gypsum, right, to form cement, right? So the important ingredients in the cements are dicalcium silicate, tricalcium silicate and tricalcium aluminate. These are the important ingredients which are present in the cement. We talk about the setting of cement. When you mix cement with water, it takes some time and it converts into hard mass. And this is because of the hydration of molecules of the constituents and its arrangement. So the moment you mix water, after some time it becomes hard mass. And the reason why we want to add gypsum is only to slow down the process of settling of cement so that it sufficiently get hardened. If you don't put gypsum, it won't become hard. So if you want cement to become very hard after some time, you have to add gypsum. The uses of cement is used a lot, right, to build a nation, to build house. Next to iron and steel, cement is used. Without cement, we can't have flyovers, we can't have good roads, we can't have buildings, we can't have factories. Cement is very critical, right? It is also used to build dams and buildings, as I told. Let's do a recap of the alkaline earth metal we have done. So if you see, the atomic number increases for beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium and radium in this fashion. The atomic mass also increased. The electronic configuration is Ns2, right? The ionization enthalpy, if you see, it decreases as we go down the group because the size of the atom increases, right? And then if you talk about the hydration enthalpy, that also decreases. The radius increases as we go down the group. Both the radius, the melting point and the boiling point decreases because the size increases, so the melting point and boiling point decreases. The density also has a little irregular pattern, so we can't actually determine density just by the logic. We have to actually have the data. So for density, if you see it decreases, then it starts increasing. And if you see the existence of in the lithosphere, so in that case, if you see, the magnesium and calcium has good concentration, others are not that much. Let's take some examples now. So the question is, what happens when magnesium is burnt in air? The first one, quicklime is heated with silica, chlorine reacts with slaked lime and calcium nitrate is heated. The first one, let's say magnesium is burned in air. So magnesium, you burn with air, you get Mg. Also, magnesium reacts with nitrogen in the air to form Mg3N2. You can write a balanced reaction here. Yeah, this is my first part. The second part is quicklime is heated with silica. So I have quicklime CaO, silica is SiO2. When you heat this, you get calcium silicate, CaSiO3. This part is done. Third part, chlorine reacts with slake lime. So I have slake lime, I have chlorine react to this, I get COCl2, it's a bleaching powder, I get water, and I get chlorine, CaCl. Right? So I can just balance this reaction. This part is done. Calcium nitrate is heated. So I have CaNO3 I heat this. This gives me calcium oxide, nitrogen dioxide, and oxygen. So this is something you have to remember. This reaction. There is no other way around. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.